Troy flip-up sights, rail, and foregrip, and an EOTech, little mini EOTech. It's quite loud.
Oh sure.
But very accurate for a 10.5-inch barrel, and very fun to shoot. So when you charge the weapon, do a chamber check. Cap brass. Weapon needs to be on safe. Got some jugs down here. This is very redneck, but it's very fun. So we're going hot. Here we go.
Good Lord.
Brick. Got the brick.
Hit it. Oh sure.
Cinder block next to it.
Hard to make it out, but that was it. Back to Andy.
We're going safe. Matthew's turn.
Oh boy.